Okay, I just wanted to do a follow-up on that first video about this camera because I was so, well, I wouldn't call it disappointed, but I didn't like the way that zoom came out in there at all. So I went and got my tripod today. I'm actually out here looking to see where I'm going to put my kayak in tomorrow. I want to go fishing a little while. But this is sitting on this deck, and it's also a little, moves a little. I've checked that out already. But I'm going to zero in on those flowers over there again. Just touching the camera makes that jittery. Plus, that little jitter you see right now is when I talk on this deck, it moves a little bit. So the best thing to do is always set this tripod up on dry land, hard land somewhere that is steady. Second thing I'm going to do, let's zero this back now. Second thing I'm going to do, I downloaded the Panasonic app on my phone this morning, and this has Wi-Fi connectivity. So if you wanted to do something like this, use your iPhone, because the iPhone can now control everything on the camera if you have it hooked to Wi-Fi. Okay, now here is a real good subject. Check that out. It's funny recording this stuff. I don't care where you are, it always turns its back to you. I used to do a lot of scuba diving, and I had an underwater camera, and a fish would swim right up to you, and as soon as you got your camera ready to shoot, it would turn its back to you. Always ended up with a picture of its tail. Another branch. Why don't you look to us and say hi there, bird? Okay, that's enough of this. Let's go find a place to put our kayak in tomorrow.